Hey there, welcome to BrickBunchUSA. Today we're going to show you how to build a minifigure scale air hockey table. So we've got all the parts that you need to build it laid out on the screen. You can pause the video if you want, go grab all your pieces, then run back and hit play. And so we're going to start out with this light gray 4x8 plate. This can be pretty much any color you want it to be. We're going to take some 2x2 flat plates, stick them in the middle. Some 1x8 regular plates for the sides, then some 1x8 flat plates, and then we're gonna build the pockets. So we're gonna repeat this step twice, form the ends, and we're gonna flip it over and attach some 1x1 circular plates to it, also known as pips. And we're going to flip it back over, and we've got a red one, blue one. We're going to stick our puck on there, and we can have a nice, friendly game of air hockey for your minifigures. Anyway, thank you for watching BrickBunchUSA. Thank you for subscribing, and we will see you next time.